Important, okay, very important. P4. Quickly read all these, and these definitions are very important. These index skew and blur break, these are explained later, and these are very important. I will mention retinoscope. You have to read. Okay, you can leave it. But from here onward, yeah, you must read. This is important. Okay, please read everything here. Here, not very important. Okay. Pseudo neutral effects important. Detection of astigmatism important. In this, I was talking about blur. Following are the three indicators of presence of astigmatism. What are the indicators of astigmatism? These three. Okay, blur, break, and skew. Blur, break, and skew. These are very important. Okay, please read them very carefully. Blur, break, and skew. These are very, very important. And this is not important topic. And this was all about this unit. Please just read only the points I have mentioned. No need to read the whole unit. Retinoscopy and the glossary definitions are very important in this unit.